let me hold ya. I'm gonna make sure I give. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'ma make sure.
What's up, guys, family? So I did a video on me making spicy shrimp fajita chicken tacos, but I didn't do an intro or outro, so I'm just gonna insert this in the video. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more live videos on the road to 4K. Let's get to 4K. Let's get it. Let's go. Make sure y'all subscribe. Leave comments down below. Let us know what you want to see next. Okay? We love you guys. For you. For you. Alright, y'all, I got my meat chopped up. Meat is chopped. Chop. I got my onions and stuff chopped up. Chop. Okay, let's get it. Let's go. Onion powder. I'm gonna add it to my chopped up onions and stuff. Gotta put some garlic. Then I'm gonna turn around, go back to my meat. You know, always gotta use the grill. Onion powder. My garlic, of course. Bam! Back over here. Gonna make it taste better. Like it. Add some more seasoning, cause yeah, this ain't it. I'm doing the TikTok in the middle of all this stuff. Ain't that crazy? See how much time I gotta. Yeah, this is right. Let it cook. I'ma let my meat cook. When it get like halfway, then I'ma start my ends and stuff. My meat's starting to cook, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Oh, I smell the onion. I know how it go on top. Mix it up with a little butter. Y'all want to see what Dre doing?
They don't want to see what Dre doing. I'm naked.
Y'all already should know what he doing, what he do best. Thumbnail. Wait, let me do a thumbnail, y'all. This is really a very simple, easy, it's not rocket science. So you should be able to get how to do this. Alright, y'all, I'll be back when I have to mix that inside of there, okay? Y'all, I'm about to put this inside of here. Look. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. And 1 small spoon. Somebody text me about a furnished house tour. I don't know if we're gonna do a furnished house tour. We're not sure yet because everything coming piece by piece and it's just too much. So, and our couch not coming until I think the 26th or something like that. I know it's like 2 weeks from now. I don't know if we're gonna do a furnished house tour, but if y'all want a furnished house tour, y'all can drop in the comments down below and let us know that y'all want a furnished house tour. And we might get to it. Because we don't like to leave y'all hanging like that, whatever our supporters want, they get. Period. So I'm going to let that keep heating up. And we're going to catch y'all when the finished product. We're going to catch y'all when the finished product is done. Y'all tortillas, just make them hot. Make sure y'all tortillas is hot. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Let's get the 4K.
Love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all.
Let's get it. Let's go. We love y'all. We out.
I know my life can get so crazy, but as long as you're right here, none of the gossip, nothing can stop.